You are not a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean in a drop. Your task is not to seek for love, but merely to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you have built against it. No better love than love with no objective. No more satisfying work than work with no purpose. If you could give up tricks and cleverness, that would be the cleverest trick. Don't grieve. Anything you lose comes round in another form. You were born with wings. Why prefer to crawl through life? Nothing can dim the light that shines from within. This place is a dream. Only a sleeper considers it real. Then death comes like dawn, and you wake up laughing at what you thought was your grief. The wound is the place where the light enters you. The cave you fear to enter holds the treasure you seek. Don't sit and wait. Get out there, feel life. Those who don't want to change, let them sleep. Don't feel lonely. The entire universe is inside you. Raise your words, not voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder.